Hello Hack Community, this is Jacob here. This is going to be your fourth Autoit3 tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get input from the user, which is going to be you, the programmer. There's really a few methods you could do this, but let's stick to the basic. You remember the old function message box? Well, it comes with a best friend called input box. And what do you use input box for? Take a guess. You can set it to a variable and use that variable to read what was inputted, therefore getting user input. It's really just easy. To do this, you just type in input box, cases or not. The parameters are going to be the title, which is going to be up here, the prompt, which is what it's going to be asking you. The rest of it, don't worry about, that's more advanced. So let's just say the title and what is your name. And we're going to be asking, that program is going to ask us what our name is, and we're going to tell it, and it's going to be like, it's going to say hello to us, alright? Yeah, so it's simple, just kind of make that box, alright? That's it. You run it, and there you go. But that's all. Nothing else to it. So let's set it to a variable. Just name it input or whatever you want to name it. It's all up to you, but remember, it's not going to be the same as mine if you change it. So you have to change it up later. So anytime you use this variable, it takes what you entered into the input box. So say we ran it and needed to read a serial key for some crazy ass program that you made. What is your serial key? And you're just gonna 1 2 3 4 5 6 that it's gonna say, alright, that's your serial key. Let's put it to this variable, and this could be some kind of function check if it's so that's how it's done. Now let's show you message box. We're gonna use a message box this time. I'm done with that console write. It's too confusing in my mind. So just go to zero flag, and your name. Your name is, alright. Remember what we did with the whole math thing? You answered your problem is. Well, we're gonna do that same exact thing here. So just put a space after it, and then an ampersand, and then you're gonna want to write the variable's name, input. That's not all, really. Kind of had a brain fart. I apologize. Then just put a period, and then a space. I'm going to continue this. Hello. Alright, that's going to say your name is your name. Hello, your name. Alright, so we're going to close that quotations again, and then we're going to put your name back in there. So it's just going to say hello, Jacob. Pretty much. I kind of fucked that up. Alright. Let's just get down to this. I'm tired. Alright, so we run the program, and see, it asks me what my name is. So, just gonna say my name is Jacob from Hack Community. That's my first, middle, and last name. Alright, it's gonna say your name is Jacob from Hack Community. Hello, Jacob from Hack Community. See all this right here can kind of get confusing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what it does step by step without that. So I'm just gonna close it here and then comment that. It's a really quick way of just just closing it off so you don't gotta erase or whatever. And then I'm gonna change this to hello, and so we run it again, and you'll see it says hello Jacob. Well, alright, you remember what the input box does? It reads what you type into the keyboard. It's saying what did you type, whatever you typed and entered into the input box is going to be set to this variable. So say you type Jacob, it's going to take this, right? It's just going to set this variable to the string Jacob. It reads string, integer, anything to what you want it to. Right? You can even build custom functions inside of an input box and set it to a variable. So random input box, type my name, and there's Jacob, and then I would set it to this. But it's interchangeable. It's nice. I like it. Alright, message box function. If you remember that, it just displays a box. Alright, this is the flag. Just OK button, no icon. It's gonna be the title up here, and this is gonna say hello, and then then it's like, oh wait, there's something else afterwards, and it's gonna read what's after that and the value of variable input. So it's gonna be like hello and oh wait, what's the value of variable input? Okay, it's Jacob. Hello, it's a string. It's string Jacob. Hello, Jacob. So it's going to count that as a string. You don't need any of these fancy things. And then it'll display it because that's what the function does. So you're just going to type my name. It says hello, Jacob. It's simple, it's basic, it's nice. You can use it for many other things if you'd like. That's just the basis of it. And again, this is Jacob from Hack Community. I hope this poorly designed tutorial helped you out in any kind of way. I've given up on writing them out because that just takes too damn long, and I have a voice and hyperfan for a reason. So hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see you again.